The US says it's countering what it calls Chinese aggression by stepping up trade with Taiwan. Beijing banned some Taiwanese imports and exports and has been carrying out military drills in the seas surrounding the island since US House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's visit earlier this month. The White House now says a new trading plan with Taiwan will be drawn up in the coming days. It also says the US plans to reassert its right to use airspace and sea lanes between Taiwan and China, where Beijing has stationed its military in recent weeks. Now let's cross over to the United States and speak to our financial correspondent in New York, Jens Korte. Jens, just explain to us what sort of message the White House is trying to send to China with this.
It's a clear sign of support for Taiwan. You have to see that most exports from Taiwan actually go to China. About 45% of exports, just to get that in a relation. So you have about 15% of exports going to the United States and a good 6.5% to the European Union. So if there is some tension between China and Taiwan, the US on one side will try to make up for maybe missed exports to China, and then on the other side, Taiwan has also become more and more important for the United States, for example, with receiving semiconductors from that area. I mean, at this point, we are still a bit shy on details, so we will get the details more precisely in the next couple of days, how this new trade deal actually might look like between the United States and Taiwan.
And on a not unrelated note, also on Friday, 5 Chinese firms confirmed that they're going to be delisting from the New York Stock Exchange, where you are. Just remind us of the background to all of that.
Europe, overall, there is a lot brewing between the two biggest economies on the planet, between the United States and China. And already for quite some time, the United States Security and Exchange Commission has threatened actually to delist some Chinese companies if they don't follow with U.S. transparency rules. And then on the other side, in China, I mean, all of those companies are somewhat government-backed. They do not want to fully open up their books. So there is this tension for quite some time, and now we have the next level, if you want to put it that way, so that 5 Chinese companies are going to delist from U.S. exchanges.
OK, Jens Korte in New York for us. Thank you very much.